So today it was the Velveeta Skillets one pan dinner kit. It was the chicken Alfredo, and these are the ingredients that were used to cook this awesome little dish. I'd never tried it before, but it turned out pretty good. This is the chicken breast that was cut up and sauteed in a little olive oil with herbs and some wonderful seasonings. And it actually looked like macaroni and cheese when it was done, but the flavor was totally different. After that, I fried up some chicken later on in the day because that's what someone wanted this evening. So I just wanted to show some pictures of the beautiful cuts of chicken breast that were fried. I appreciate everyone for watching the video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.